idioms that you can use to talk about your hometown. My name is Moni. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn some English. Number 1, a stone's throw. Or you can also say a stone's throw away. Both are correct. If you think about throwing a stone, it doesn't go very far. So this idiom, a stone's throw, means a short distance. If the beach, for example, is close to your home, you can say, the beach is just a stone's throw from my house. I use the word just here to emphasize how close it really is. No distance at all. Here are some more example sentences using a stone's throw. The cafe is a stone's throw from the office, so I walk there in my break to buy lunch. We have a small backyard, but fortunately we live a stone's throw away from the local park where my family can play. Number 2, hidden gem. In terms of our place and location theme, a hidden gem is a place that is particularly special or beautiful, but not so well known, or not a typical tourist spot. It might also be difficult to get there or hidden away, hence the phrase hidden gem. It's a place that holds a really pleasant surprise. There are hidden gems in every part of the world. What are the hidden gems in your city or hometown? Here are some example sentences using hidden gem. The small cafes down Melbourne laneways are real hidden gems, offering superb coffee and treats like no other cafe in the city. This hiking trail is a hidden gem for nature enthusiasts seeking a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. By the way, hustle and bustle is a great binomial pair to describe the noise and activity of a place, like a city or a market. Number 3, steer clear. The collocation of this phrase is steer clear of. You'd usually hear the word steer when talking about a vehicle, because steer is to control the direction of a vehicle. In this case, steer clear means to avoid, not go in that direction because it's unpleasant or maybe dangerous. I'd steer clear of the city on a Friday night. It's just too busy. Here are some more examples. If you're traveling on a budget, you should steer clear of expensive activities and focus on the things you can do for free. It's best to steer clear of Main Street until the construction has finished. Number 4, within walking distance. If a place is within walking distance, then it is close enough that you can walk to it with no problem. The supermarket is within walking distance of my house. It's really convenient. How about you? What's within walking distance of your house? The best hotels are usually located within walking distance of the main tourist attractions. The art gallery, the museum, and the city garden are all within walking distance of each other. Number 5, as far as the eye can see. If there is something as far as the eye can see, there is so much of it that you can only see that and nothing beyond. It can be a positive or negative description depending on what you are describing. For example, if you said, there is traffic as far as the eye can see, then this would usually be an unpleasant experience sitting in traffic. If you said, the sky is blue as far as the eye can see, then this is a positive, pleasant description. You can say can see or could see, but typically if your sentence is in the past tense, use could. Here are some more examples. The hills were covered in lush greenery as far as the eye could see. In spring, Fields of wildflowers grow as far as the eye can see. Now here's your challenge. Write a sentence about your hometown using one of these idioms to help explain or describe it. I hope to see you again for another English lesson really soon. Bye for now.